Assalamu alaikum. Ukuthula makube kini. Hayi ngiyapolitika namhlanje. Namhlanje ngililetha njengoba linjalo iqiniso bafowethu. Sikhathele. Ngiyapolitika namhlanje. Ngifuna ukuyishaya ngesilungu bengizwe kahle. Ukuthi lo limi lwabo lolu lukaJoji ngile ngayolifunda ngiyalazi. Ngifuna ukuyishaya ngesilungu. Khona bezoza umhlaba wonke ukuthi hayi konakele eMzansi. Awulaleleke bafowethu. Africa is rich in resources but not in unity. Until when? Until when, brothers and sisters, are we going to mourn the poverty in our own country with every resource you may think of? Until when? When we unite, our world will serve our children. But when we disunite, our world serves the outsiders. Our world serves the Europeans. Yeah, ne? Our borders, all these borders that you are talking about, the border gates, they were not made by us. They were made by colonizers and drawn by colonizers at the Berlin Conference, 1884. Not by us, not by any leader of Africa. They separated us and scattered us, dismantled us, because they thought we are fools. They never knew that this time and era would come. Unity is our greatest weapon. One big, strong African army is stronger than all armies in the world. If that happens, no one will treat Africa as fools or slaves. When we are divided, we serve the outsiders. When we are divided. But when we are united, we serve ourselves. African stronghold, strength has not been achieved yet. We want one flag, one national anthem, and one currency. Our youth are dying in the desert and the seas, chasing false mirage, because there is no opportunities in their own continent. Let us unite and create jobs so that our youth can come back proudly to stay in their motherland. The African soil grows everything. The African soil grows everything. But our people are hungry. With one unity, we can produce food for all. You heard me right. You heard me right. With our own unity, we can produce food for all Africans from Cape to Cairo. Wake up, my Africa, before it's too late. Wake up and smell the worth of our nations. Wake up and smell the worth of Africa. Africa is not poor, but we were made to believe that Africa is poor. If Africa is poor, why they don't leave Africa with her poverty? Why they don't leave Africa with her children? Let Africa feed her own children through her poverty. Africa is not poor, but it was instilled and shoved down our throat, down the son of the African people and the daughters of African people, that Africa is poor. Yet they don't want to leave Africa. They don't like Africa, but they like the mineral and the oil resources of Africa. Africa can refine their own oil and minerals. Africa is not poor. Africa is not poor. Maibuye.